everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create the simplest Excel spreadsheet. For example, today I'm going to create a spreadsheet with a staff information. I start by naming the table. Next I name the columns. I mark the cells in the selection where the name is and click on March and Center to unify the cells. Next, I select all columns in the table, hover between the columns and double-click. This automatically adjusts the size of columns relative to content. I print out all the data I know. In my case, that will be names, birthdays, phone numbers, emails, and job titles. Now I got to spreadsheet ready. But it doesn't look good, so let's edit it. I'm gonna select the entire table and select a border for it. I select some cells and click on B to edit the text and then make the text bigger. Now all I have to do is change the color and backgrounds of the cells. Excel has a great present for this at the top of the bar called Home. And we're done, and simple table is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If the video helped you, please give me a like and let me know what you need help with in Excel. Bye.